your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, all is calm across central, southern, and east Kentucky, but here in about 48 hours, it's going to be a completely different story as we track in a winter storm that's going to move across the Ohio Valley region. With it for us, well, wouldn't you know it, it's a battleground state that sets up, and we're going to be talking all precip types that will be affecting portions of the viewing area. So a lot to talk about and break down with this forecast ahead. Light wintry system, a weaker one now pushing off the eastern coast. A few flakes lingering far east and southeast. Otherwise, we're going to dry out. High pressure builds in from the west, and we'll see drier skies with a little bit of sunshine that continues into the first part of the weekend. We had a little bit of that today, and we'll see more as we head into our Saturday, especially early on. Clouds will continue to break. Mix of sun and some clouds taking over Saturday afternoon. But notice the cloud cover starts to increase quickly, and that's ahead of our system that will bring that wintry mess to the area. As far as the next few days are concerned, winter storm ramping up as we get into our Sunday, starting Sunday morning, continues Monday before finally wrapping up. And temperature-wise, we're going to be around where we should be, right? We're getting into the upper 20s, those 30s. And this winter system moves in, and that's going to bring that chance for the wintry precip. As far as the winter storm watch is concerned, this is really out for a good chunk of the state. All of central and east Kentucky continues until Tuesday morning. East and southeast for the bluegrass region or central Kentucky, it's until Monday afternoon. This is the system now starting to work its way on land, and this has been out to sea for quite some time. But when a system starts to make landfall from a data standpoint, we can start to sample things a little bit better, giving us a better grip on what we could see, the exact low track, which can give way to the amounts, right? And that's what we all want to know. How much snow, potential ice are we talking about here, Chris? And this is what we're going to try and get to as we work not only through this forecast right now, but over the next 24 to 36 hours. This is part of the next big thing we've been tracking out for you, and we'll do so as we work through this weekend. That low pressure system will dive down across the Rockies, heading into the southern plains. Plenty of moisture will start to stream in. The Gulf of Mexico open for business with this system, and that's going to help really bring in a lot of wintry precip across the Commonwealth. In fact, it initially starts out across southern Kentucky as some ice and snow. That will continue to track towards the north and northeast, getting in on some more moderate snowfall at times as we get into your Sunday afternoon. To our south, more of that freezing rain, sleet, that icy mix that will take over. As this low pressure system starts to make its move towards the east and northeast, look what happens, changing over to some rainfall across our southern communities, that warm air surging in, and then some heavy freezing rain will be showing up right along the I-64 corridor. Points northward with some snowfall across northern Kentucky, getting into central Indiana and central Ohio. This system will continue its track eastward, warmth surging in. Look what happens though as this low begins to pull off towards the east. Cold air wraps in, and we'll track out more light, even in some cases more moderate snowfall working through our Monday afternoon, Monday evening, before skies will start to finally dry out, getting into early Tuesday morning. Now, as far as potential snow amounts with some sleet mixed in at times, there's a good swath of snow trying to show up right along the I-64 corridor. 3 upwards to 6 inches plus of snow will be a possibility. Higher totals trying to show up across far northern Kentucky, with lower amounts where we're seeing more warmth across our far southern zones. Now, as far as that ice potential is concerned, significant, and there could be some areas wherever this band sets up where some spots could pick up 3/4 of an inch of ice. That would be very significant and leading to some outage issues. And that's a concern because once we get past this system, it's all about the Arctic air that builds in. In fact, multiple shots of some Arctic air showing up across the Ohio Valley, and that's going to really drop those temperatures off. In fact, running 20 to 35 degrees plus below normal, where we should be for this time of the year. Take a look at these temperatures. 7-day forecast showing the winter storm moving through Sunday, Monday, wrapping up Tuesday morning. And then it's all about the bitter cold air that shows up. Teens for highs, overnight lows, single digits. If we have a snowpack on the ground, we could be going near 0 or below that mark as we work through next midweek.